Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Oyechukwu Joy Onyeruchi, and today I am bringing to you another thing that will help your academics. Remember, I'm very interested in you doing very well in your school, in your studies, in your academics, in every aspect of your life. So today I am bringing an important topic as usual to us. Well, before I start, you might be wondering why I'm on native attire. I'm from Africa, Nigeria precisely, and we love this type of dressing. Okay, so I'll go straight to the point. Today I'll be teaching us effective ways you can prepare for an exam, be it MCQ, theory, picture or ski, oral exams, how to prepare and pass these exams. But before then, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. If you've done so, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you're fine. Hope you are good. Hope you've been watching the other videos I've been posting on, because it's kind of links to each other. So today, effective ways of studying. So how can you prepare for this exam so that you pass well? First is understanding the type of exam you're writing. Which type of exam are you writing? Is it theory? Is it multiple choice or objective question? Is it subjective? Is it practical, picture or ski? Is oral form of questions? So which one are you preparing for? Knowing the type of questions they ask you in an exam is the first step towards preparing for an exam. So the first semester, once you start school, the first thing you do is to go around, meet your seniors, ask them questions about method, exam method. What's the format for this exam? So once you've gotten the format, you start practicing with that format from the onset, from the very first time you start reading, you start practicing that format. After studying, you practice that format. You start making notes in that format. So today, I'll just go straight to MCQ, multiple choice question. How do you prepare for multiple choice question? You don't answer multiple choice question for the first time in examination if you've not tried answering it before. Once the semester starts, move around, ask question, get as much MCQ materials as you can get. Go online, get as much MCQ materials as you can get. Ask from your seniors, go to the market, get MCQ materials, okay? I'm studying the arm. So after studying the arm, maybe the muscles of the anterior compartment of the arm, after studying the muscles here of this anterior compartment of the arm, I'll go online. First thing I do, I'll just go online. MCQ questions on the muscles of the anterior compartment of the arm. I'll answer it, okay? I'll answer because sometimes the MCQ I must have gathered don't have that specific thing I'm looking for. Do you understand? Like that textbook that I bought does not have. So I'll go to the textbook and check for that topic in that textbook. If it's there, I'll answer the questions from there. I'll go to my school MCQ questions if I have any, maybe the past questions and all. If I see any, I'll check if they've ever asked any question as regards to that topic that I read, that muscles of the anterior compartment of the arm. If I see the questions, I will answer the question, okay? And then take note on this, on the important points that they normally ask. Like they don't fail to ask which nerve supplies the anterior compartment of the arm. You know the nerve. Like they ask all these, I'll just pick out some important points, and then of course the MCQ will also expose me to things I did not read when I was reading it. So I've done that. This one is called reading MCQ per topic. So you are studying MCQ, immediately you finish, you are done with a particular topic, you go and study MCQ, okay? Immediately you're done with, maybe I want to read brachial plexus. After reading brachial plexus, first place I used to go, I go online, I go on Google, I go online, I Google MCQ questions on brachial plexus, and I start answering it immediately. If, for example, in pediatrics, I might study Burkitt's lymphoma, for example. I'll go online and ask MCQs on Burkitt lymphoma. They'll bring out so many MCQs. I'll start answering. They might bring like 20. I'll answer as much as I can answer. Then I'll go to my school MCQ PDF. If there is any question as regards to that thing that I've studied, I'll check the question, and then when I'll go to textbooks that I bought, MCQ textbook that I bought, if I have any, I will check. But if I don't have, online is sufficient for me. So that's how to start. This one is called topic, like topic by topic MCQ. Okay. So the next way you can practice MCQ is after you've studied, you have to go through your scheme of work as fast as you can. Do you understand? And start studying MCQ. Now, sometimes you don't need to know it to study it. Okay, some students be like, when I open MCQ, I don't know most of the questions, so I would like to, let me just finish all my course outline, and then I'll now start studying MCQ. That's not wonderful, because by the time you finish all your course outline before you are exposed to MCQ, it might be late. You might be having your first quiz, you might be having your second quiz, you might be having so many things might come up the next week, and MCQs are not something you have to rush. Do you understand? So you have to start from the time once you are studying, you're studying your MCQ, you are going through it. That's why I introduced that topic by topic MCQ method, so that as immediately you are finishing with a topic, you are reading the MCQ under it. Another method that I'm just trying to talk about is going through that MCQ even without studying. For example, I'm tired. I'm just reading, and then I'm tired. I'll just be on my bed and then slide through an app. MCQ. I used to have apps that has as much MCQ as I can. I'll just be going through the app and be getting my brain exposed to new knowledge. Might see a particular MCQ, I'll just be studying the question. I'll just be reading it, getting myself exposed. Okay, this is this. Which of the following nerve passes through the cubital fossa? Maybe I've not studied cubital fossa, but I'm seeing the question for the first time. I'm like, wow. So whenever I'm studying cubital fossa, and then I will not see, oh, this particular nerve passes through the cubital fossa. I'll be like, wow, wow. So this is the answer to that question that I was going through that time. You understand? I'll be keen on, because I've already studied that question before, even though I don't know it. But my brain picked it up. Do you understand? So that is a way of studying MCQ. Just go through it. Start, be going through, even though you know you are getting zero. Just keep practicing as much as you can. Don't practice 2 days before the exam. There are so many MCQs to study. There are so many MCQs. So don't say I will study 1 week. I'm keeping it so that I'll cram it. That's cramming. You're not trying to cram. Imagine if after cramming you'd not, like, what you saw in the exam is totally out, like it's just something else. Medical students, we understand this thing. Some of us will just this is this thing now, just let me just cram my notes. One mistake students make is that they read their notes and they keep rereading their notes over and over again, when the method of exam is MCQ. It's not so appropriate. Read your notes and expose yourself to MCQ questions as much as you can, so that you can balance it. Okay, study your notes. Prepare the way I've taught you how to study your notes, how to make your notes, how to study your notes, how to study well. So after studying, MCQ comes in. Always practice MCQ as much as you can. Okay, don't wait till the exam. Emphasis on don't wait till exam time to start practicing MCQ. You will be so much disappointed. Okay, and remember spaced practice. So if you can space out 1 hour every day for MCQ from the first semester, there's no how you will not be good. There's no how you will not see answer some questions. And when you see these questions in the exams, they will be very, very familiar, because you've sourced out so many, you've gone to the internet, you've gone to textbooks, you've answered your school past questions, you've done a lot of things. So when you see MCQs, when I was preparing for senior WAEC, I was preparing for JAM too. So I made sure that I finished JAM past question, and then I was trying to finish WAEC JAM past question MCQ, but I couldn't, because WAEC is MCQ and theory, while JAM is just MCQ. But I couldn't finish that of WAEC MCQ. But during the exam, especially physics, I discovered that they were very simple, because what I solved for JAM was a bit higher than it. So I was finding the questions so easy, so simple because I took time to practice my MCQs. Expose yourself to as many MCQ questions, as many as you can lay hold on, and keep solving. Don't say I will solve it towards the exam. Start exam time, start from the beginning of the semester to practice multiple choice question. Go online and practice. Thank you so much for watching.